I did not get to see this the last time I was here. So let's finally go ride this elevator. This will be the elevator at Round 1, formerly Burlington Coat Factory, Millcreek Mall, Erie, Pennsylvania. I did not get to ride this Lexan the last time I was here, so let's finally get to do it. Here we go. Oh, the button cap's coming out. Oh, look at this beautiful cab. Dude, this is a nice cab. Old Otis interlock, Otis Cito. Oh, these fixtures are cooler. We're gonna have carpet in that elevator. Yeah. All right, let's hear the motor. That sounds wonderful. You're at 2. All right, so back down to 1. Door closes when I push the button. I like that. Vintage Lexan buttons. EPCO indicator, which is not buttons. 3,000 pound capacity. This is a super cool Lexan. Here we are at 1. Let's go ahead and take one more round trip just because this is such a vintage elevator. Here's the second floor. Oh wow, this is a huge Round 1. There's your button. Oh, the indicator works up here. We get out here. No, we're gonna go back down. Almost lost my sunglasses. This one got the updated ceiling. All right. Very nice. There it goes. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching.